Hello. So we are recording. It looks like we are recording. We are going to try to create an array list, a program that'll pull a max amount of numbers from an array list and then display the highest one, the highest number, just a just just a random amount of numbers. I'll try to do this as quickly as I can. As quickly as I can. So what we're going to do is import some packages right up here. Java dot that should already these Java should already have these, and it gives you a choice. Array list. We're gonna go down here. Java.util dot list. We're just gonna do list. And down here is going to be the code. What do we need? We need a list. A list of integers here. And right here we're going to put integer. Then we're gonna create our method, our constructor. This is gonna tell the program to what we are doing. This is an array list, and we're gonna look for an integer. And if we were looking for a string, I would put, instead of the word integer, I would put string, or a word. I'll put a word. And then you're gonna number list. This is where the list of numbers go, right here, number list. You can use add if you want. And then right here in the parentheses, the numbers are gonna go. So I'm gonna put a random amount of numbers. And then I'm going to copy paste because I don't have time to be typing the same thing over and over. Copy. I'm going to go down here and control V. Oh. Yeah, we're still, I don't know where I'm getting squiggly lines. Yeah, no, that's not good. That's not what I want. Why are you doing this to me? Alright. I wasn't looking. Okay, let's delete this one. I don't know why it does this. Just control V, alright. Oh, I see. What? I copy pasted. What did I copy paste here? I messed up. I was not looking. I was just copying. I was trying to go as quickly as I can. This doesn't go anywhere. This shouldn't be here. This should not be here either. It's giving me an error. These should not be here. That's why they're in a red. And Java is pretty good at telling you what's supposed to be here or not. See these yellow things here? That means this is part of the main package. This here is part of a bigger package. Oh man, these parentheses. And then what we're going to do is put a list of numbers. Let's make this the highest number. I'm telling you, this works. This works. And over here, I'm going to do this. This definitely works as long as you get your methods right and your parentheses in the right spot. So, and somewhere along the lines, you're going to tell, excuse me, you're going to tell the program that you want to find the highest number. So far we only have the list. We have our constructor and then the list. And constructor just builds the program, and now this is where the magic happens. I think magic happens here. You want to tell integer it's a number. You're gonna find the max number. You're literally gonna tell the program. You're gonna tell the program to find the max number. I try to keep it simple because programming is complicated as it is. You want to keep everything in all your instructions. It gets more complicated than this. It gets way more complicated than this. So you want to literally tell the program find max number from an array list, which is the array list down here. And then you're going to display that number. You want to display the number of an array list. I am trying to hurry. Print, print ln. The ln at the end of the print is definitely going to make it look nicer. Then this is what the program is going to display. This right here, it's going to display this max number. It's going to display max number, and you want to tell the program to display the max number statically, because we don't know until the program runs what it's going to display. And down here we're going to create another method it's going to be like the mechanics of it all, because right now all we're doing is we've created an array list and we've created a method that tells the program to find the max number, but then we have to tell it how to find the max number, because um, I guess I want to say that computers are very simple. I don't want to use the word stupid, but they are simple, and they need humans, I guess, to tell them how and what to do. Computers are very fast. They just don't know what to do, when to do it, how to do it. And this private static integer, it's static because you don't know what the highest number, because the highest number could always change at any time, even though you're telling it right here to find the the, the highest number from an array list that you've created. So it's gonna say find max number from array list from a list of integers. And remember, if I was to look for anything from a list of anything, you would say it here. And right now we're telling the program that you are looking for a number which is an integer. And over here we are going to do our magical brackets that give us so much trouble. And this is where this this here is going to, this is a private static method. It's static because it's not concrete. It's always ever changing. It's always going to change. So you're going to have your little constructor again, max integer dot. So this is more of the magic happening here. I think capital, I think. Oh, no. So Java is very helpful because it knows what you are trying to do at this point. So I'm just gonna do, you want to find the max or the min value. Right now you're looking for the max, but you're gonna compare it to the min value because you don't know what we don't know what the max number is until we know what the min number is, or the minimum number. Um, I don't like squiggly lines. Let me see. What is this? It's probably missing a return value at this point. So we have this little constructor, and now we're going to say for integer number, for the integer number in the number list, it's going to be, this is a for loop. And without this for loop, the computer wouldn't know what to do. So it's going to go through the list and search for the highest number for integer number in a number list if the number is greater than max. Then display the max number. Pretty much, that's what it is. It is what it is. So we're gonna go down here and say max equals a number. So this is the number, it's going to display the number. So this is crazy because there's max equals a number. It's going to be displayed up here because it's the max number. And the squiggly lines, we still have squiggly lines because I think they want us to have a return value. The program wants us to return something. Let me see. Alt enter, missing return statement. Where should I put my return statement? I think here's a good spot to return something. Return max. Return the max number. Yeah, you always want to return something. And so this private static method is what takes the number and returns it back to here. It goes here, runs through the list. This finds the max number, and you can name this anything you want. These two need each other. You can name these anything you want. I just typed up find max number from ArrayList because it just makes more sense. But you could just probably just do this, and as long as these match up, they'll work. Um, that's what I know. See, these just have to match up. They could be anything. Let's see if this runs. All right, so let's run it. Hopefully there's no errors. The max number is 1500. It is 1500. Let's see if we change this one up here. It'll always find the max number. It should. Right here. It found it. Yes, success. Thank you. All right, and I'm done. Background